afternoon. I'm Sarah Godwin.
And I'm Christoph Fee.
This summer, ARRB has hired 10 interns across the Brisbane, Sydney and Melbourne offices. They've been working in various departments such as safe systems, asset management, heavy vehicles and a few others.
And today we're going to give you an exclusive look as to what these interns have been doing this summer.
Let's meet the interns!
Hi, my name's Andrew Beecroft. I've just finished my degree in Civil Engineering and Commerce at Monash. I've been working here in Melbourne in the Asphalt Lab.
Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm studying Civil Engineering at Monash University and I'm working with the Transport Operations team in Melbourne.
Right now I'm Christoph and I'm studying Civil Engineering at Monash and I'm in the pavements area here at the Melbourne Office.
Hi, my name is Melissa. I've just finished my degree in Materials Science and Materials Engineering at Monash University. At ARRB, I've been working in the bitumen labs and also doing some data analysis in the Melbourne office.
Oh, hello. Hi, my name's Ben. I'm doing a Civil Engineering and Commerce degree at the University of New South Wales and I'm in the Safe Systems team in the Sydney office.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm halfway through my Masters of Civil Engineering degree at Melbourne University and I've been working in asset management and safe systems in the Melbourne office.
Hi, my name is Carl. I'm a third year undergraduate engineering and law student at Monash University. I'm working in heavy vehicles in the Melbourne office.
Hi, I'm Larissa. I'm between second and third year in civil engineering at Monash University and I'm working in pavements and surfacings in Melbourne under Didier Baudin.
Hi, my name is Tim Lingard. I'm from the Brisbane office. I'm currently studying the Bachelor of Civil Engineering at the University of Queensland. I've just finished my third year and about to go into my final year. And I'm working in the bridge team under the supervision of Rudolph.
Hi, my name is Harris Sia and I'm also working in the Brisbane office. I'm studying Bachelor of Civil Engineering at UQ and at ARRB I've been working in the road safety department under the supervision of Josie.
Well, that sounded like an intelligent team.
Yeah, certainly. It sounded like the cream of the crop.
So why did they choose ARRB?
At uni I focused a lot on metals and nothing to do with road materials, so ARRB presented a new and exciting opportunity for me to come and apply all the skills and knowledge that I gained from university, and after my time here at ARRB I found that the road research is something that I'm really interested in and it's something I can see myself doing in the future.
So Bayan, why did you join ARRB as an intern?
To finish my engineering degree. They make you do 60 days of industrial training. I'm very thankful that they do make you do that because I've learned quite a bit, and pretty much I never worked for an engineering company or never had any engineering experience before ARRB, and now I realise how much that's actually added to what I know and what I can do. And this has probably been worth about 2 years of equivalent time at university in terms of what I've learned and how practical what I've learned actually is. So that's pretty much why I've joined ARRB, just so I can learn quite a bit and get my industrial training.
Well, Christoph, I think you can agree with me that those are all excellent reasons for joining ARRB.
Yes, Sarah. And now let's have a look at what the interns have been doing this summer.
So, Christoph, what have you been doing?
I've been working in two parts. Here at Vermont South, I've been doing some laboratory work, having a look at the strength of subbases, the modulus and the fatigue strength. And then in second part, I've been going down to ALF, ARRB's accelerated loading facility, which places a truckload onto a pavement, and then we look at the deformation. And then the goal is that we're comparing the real life data with that constructed in the lab. So let's go.
Let's cross over to Sydney and see what Bayan has been getting up to.
I have pretty much worked quite a bit with Excel. I've also used the Hawkeye software quite a bit for that project. I did a site investigation in Goulburn, which required the preparation of a traffic management plan, which I assisted with. That was quite an enjoyable experience as well, just learning how the hardware actually worked instead of sitting back and analysing data. I also did quite a bit of editing for a few reports. I did enjoy it, but it probably wasn't the best part of being at ARRB Group. but I did learn a lot from just editing.
Well, that was Bayan from Sydney. It seems like he's got a good overview of ARRB. Marissa in Melbourne has been working on the wheel tracker. Let's cross over and see what...
Thanks, Sarah, and welcome to AusTrack, our wheel tracker. It's tracking us out right now, as you can see. It's designed to compact unbound granular slabs, which it does in layers. Then it's covered in a waterproof membrane, and then it tracks up to 40,000 cycles with whatever load you like, which is applied from below. This sample is not rushing too much. You can see on the computer the laser profiles are almost the same, and I think that's...
And now for the weather. Our roaming weatherwoman has been visiting the ARRB office in Melbourne. Melissa, how's the weather looking like?
Today in the Richmond labs it's a scorching 180 degrees. While here in the core room it's a chilly 4 degrees. Well, over here in our new lab offices we've got clear lab coat blue doors at a pleasant 19 degrees.
Well, I definitely think I prefer the 19 degrees.
Yeah, me too. And Melissa, while we've got you, you may as well tell us what you've been doing this summer.
In my time at ARRB I've been doing some data analysis with skid resistance and accident rates. I've also been spending lots of time in the bitumen lab doing softening point tests.
Hard work. It certainly looks like Melissa has become an expert in materials.
Now let's cross to Andrew with the sport.
Hey, stop filming! I'm on my lunch break. Oh, great that you found me in my office. Basically, for these 3 months at ARRB, I've been working on 3 different projects. The first one is the economic analysis of the application of truck lane restrictions on the Monash Freeway. And this project was a tight one. We had to finish the whole project in less than 2 weeks. That's why, and sometimes we have been working till 8 p.m. well past the 5 p.m. Finish time at ARRB. And we also went for a survey. And this is Princess Highway. Yep, this is the truck lane restriction you've just seen. And the second project is basically a literature review of new technologies to improve risk management, and this is what I've been doing. This, you can see all the messy posters. Doing this while I'm reading reports.
So one of the things I've been looking at ARRB is cyclist safety. I was analysing data on crash stats and I found that a lot of accidents happen because of poor visibility. So, as you can see by my fluorescent turtle orange humpback, practice what you preach. So, back in the office, I've been doing web-based research on different cycling safety issues. I've also been doing literature reviews, trying to look at engineering solutions to cycling design problems. One of the downsides of doing cycling as a safety issue is that now when I'm riding my bike, I'm constantly aware of problems. What was that? Did you know that one person has ran into an unidentified object whilst riding a bike? Crazy! In the cycling team, I went out with Caroline and Victoria, and we went to a meeting, and that was really good to see how to interact with clients. It was a meeting with the local council and telemarketers, and I suppose one of the things I never thought I'd be doing would be a bit of project management, and who knew I would have ever become a film director.
Thanks, Sarah. Can't wait for your next Lord of the Rings instalment.
And finally we have Carl from the Melbourne office. What have you been doing, Carl?
So some of the smaller projects I've been working on have been drawing trucks in AutoCAD to put into reports. But most of my time has been spent on this topography scanner. A lot of time being used troubleshooting it and integrating the systems. Might have to stop that because it's not meant to do that. So this topography scanner will be used in conjunction with this trailer rig. There will be a test tyre attached to this trailer, which will go over pavement and simulate different conditions like going up large hills or turning corners. And this scanner will be used to scan the pavement before and after each test and analyze the defects and the wear that has been caused by such motions.
Brilliant. Well, that was a great overview of what the interns have done this summer.
Yeah, it sounds like they've been doing some excellent work and have been a great addition to the ARRB team.
And lastly, let's find out what the interns have gotten out of this internship.
I know in the lab I learned a lot of really useful practical skills and the importance of attention to detail, and that one small error can really snowball into a chain of errors.
Well, I learned a lot about VBA and so automatic programming in Excel.
Well, I've learned a lot of new skills as well, and some skills that I've learned at uni which I thought I'd never be able to apply in work. And the overall work experience, learning about how people interact in a work environment was also very useful.
I've learnt a lot on Excel. Yeah, David has taught me quite a bit on Excel and the different tools on Excel and how to analyze the crash data, for example, on Excel, things like that. I've also learnt that transport engineering isn't just one field, but there's a wide variety of fields within transport engineering, so that's increased the scope and broadened my understanding of the field itself, and therefore giving me more options in the future.
Great. Well, it sounds like the internship program has been a valuable experience.
Yes, so let's find out if the interns have any other advice for subsequent programs.
I think it'd be really good if in the first couple of weeks we found out what the other offices and departments in ARRB do, just so we know how the whole organisation fits into the big picture.
Yeah.
Also good in the first few weeks would be that report writing and presentation skills seminar we had, because I know I had to do a lot of report writing before I actually heard about how ARRB write their reports.
Well, I had a lot of fun in heavy vehicles, but for those who didn't actually have as much work or enjoyed their department as much, maybe there should be like an optional sort of intern swapping between different departments, just for like a little bit of flexibility.
Yeah, but I guess that would require the supervisors to be more organised and communicative about what they want from each intern to get the best out of that short period of time they would have.
Well, I think we've found out all there is to know about the interns.
And it certainly has been great to find out what they've been doing and what they've learnt during their internship.
I'm Sarah Godwin.
And I'm Christoph Fergie.
And that was the intern presentation.